Remember when we were talking about all of the negative thought patterns you had in your head, like blah, 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 I'm stupid, I'm ugly, I'm fat, I'm gross, I'm undeserving, I'm unworthy, I'll never, blah, 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 I'm damaged goods, blah, 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 blah. You know, the little hamster running on the wheel in your mind. Okay, now go back to that page that you filled out all those negative things, and now write completely polar opposite of each one of them. Yeah, that's the exercise. And you know what? It might be difficult because so many times it's so easy to come up with the negative thoughts. Oh yeah, I got a whole slew of them. I have a scroll, right? So replace them, every single one you wrote down, with something polar opposite and super, super positive. For example, I'm a piece of crap, unworthy and ugly and fat and stupid, right? Maybe that's one thought. If you replace that, the new thought is, I'm a goddess, or I am a spectacular divine spark of spirit. That's completely opposite, right? So I am unworthy and horrible. I am creative and magnificent. See what I'm saying? Like totally opposite, but big. Go big. Don't go like, I'm fine. I'm special. Like, okay, yes, you're special, but let's boost it up a little bit. Get your thesaurus out. I can't even say it. Get your thesaurus out. Get your thesaurus out and go totally opposite and go big for every single negative thought pattern you wrote down. Write something totally the opposite. Yes, yes, yes. And then go watch that broccoli brain video under healing techniques. All right, have fun. You're a wonderful spark of spirit.